to Lee from Anfield Road Layout in the Loft channel. I'm in the hobby room, and with the hobby I use a soldering iron, so I thought me soldering iron some of the stuff's getting a bit beaten. I will zoom in on it. So yeah, as you can see, I've got some new stuff for the soldering iron, so we're gonna look at the new, put the new stuff on the soldering iron. So I'm going to take the new old stuff off, and yeah, so take that off. The tips do come off, but because it's that old, I just thought I'd renew everything. So I've got new tips, soldering tips. I'm going to put in a new soldering tip and everything. So I've got new soldering tip going on. Got all different ones I've got in it. So we'll go down. So I've got all different ones, as you can see. I'm going to get them all out of the packet. And this is my soldering iron I use. It's a variable power soldering iron, as you can see. Let me centralise it. Variable power soldering iron. So I've got a new collar as well, whatever that new collar is. A new collar there. Got a new collar as well. So I've got everything. So I'm going to put the new collar on first, and then, oh no, you do it the other way. That was clever, wasn't it, Lee? So you put, I've got, I don't want that one, don't want that one, that one is what I want with the new collar. So set it up a certain way. So I've put the new soldering iron on. Let me zoom in. I've put the new soldering iron on, and it goes in there, plugs in, and this is the variable power soldering iron, so we will put it in view. The variable power soldering iron. You turn on the socket and you can control it. Let me zoom out. It's got control of and get hot and cold, hot and cold. So you can run it at different temperatures, but I thought I'd get some little bits for it. So like, subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, you must go and check your subscription and see if you are subscribed to me, because there's some awesome content coming out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.